Does your lawn look like this after a heavy rainfall?
We have found many job sites underwater.
Strategies like pipes, plants, and grading can help relieve the stress of excessive rain.
Flooding issues are a major concern of my clients, so whenever we come in and we're looking at whether it be a patio or a flower bed or something, we're always looking to drain away from the home.
Water standing at the foundation of your home is a red flag and must be redirected.
This pipe would direct the water down the slope here, and then it goes down the hill out into the conservation area. Because it's perforated, it has holes in it, it's picking up groundwater. We dig this trench on a slope, and then we put the pipe down, we surround it with this landscape fabric, cover it, and then we'll cover this with sod, and you'll never see that it's there.
So it's almost like a secret passageway to get the water to clear out of your backyard instead of pooling and ponding.
That's exactly it. I would plant those guys.
Consider adding moisture-loving plants to your yard.
We've got some coral bells out here, some perennial geranium, and hostas. All of those will take a very broad spectrum of moisture conditions in your topsoil. Many of my clients or their neighbors like the entire backyard either paved or some sort of a concrete, and I understand the benefits of that.
Removing greenery around your home may be less maintenance, but it could have further consequences.
What we're seeing is the increasing rate of flooding because of all of the hard surfaces in backyards. We're seeing it on roadways now, right? We just simply cannot handle all the water. So if you look at a backyard like this, it's got flower beds, it has grass. It actually absorbs the water better. Water near your house is the big problem. If there's standing water near your foundation, you need to call a drainage expert. If it's on city property, you would be calling your city works department, somebody from the municipality.